My name is Abhijit Dandekar. I'm a 56 years old business person from Pune. If I have to describe my career in brief after my engineering degree from IIT Bombay, it can be summed up as 32 years of work experience across the length and breadth of IT industry, which will broadly cover computer hardware, that is basically things like servers, workstations, PCs, laptops, computer peripherals like plotters, printers, networking, and so on. Then second area which I have extensive knowledge about is computer software products, which covers commercial and enterprise applications like ERP, supply chain management, CRM, business intelligence, core banking, and certain engineering applications like CAD/CAM, CAE, process, plant, human simulation, virtual reality, and so on. So these two areas broadly cover almost everything when it comes to information technology. And the third area where I have got a lot of exposure is software services like business and application consultancy, application development, product implementation, migration, customization, and support. So you can say that it's broadly divided into products and services, which gives me kind of 360 degrees view of the information technology industry. I have been fortunate to have worked with MNCs as well as small and medium enterprises in various geographies. So, which has given me an all-round exposure to work closely with customers from different cultures. So I have actually got an exposure to more than 25-30 different countries where I have interacted with customers, and that actually gives me perspective in terms of interacting with people with different tastes, different cultures, different religions, different ways of doing business, and so on and so forth. So it made me probably a little more rich in terms of my experience. For most part of my career, I have worked directly with customers, primarily in sales, marketing, business development, and general management roles. My customers have almost always been corporate customers, and which means that B2B is the market that I have been involved in. So my views today will be largely impacted by my corporate experience. For the past 10 years or so, I am in entrepreneurial role, having founded Sentio Technologies, which is my own company, which has headquarters in Pune. So that's in brief about me.